How to recover a disabled Instagram account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this problem if you are not able to log in with your Instagram account, or if you forgot your password or phone number or email address. If your account is disabled and if you want to get back your account, then this video is absolutely helpful for you. It's gonna be helpful for you, and if it is really helpful for you, then and if you wanna support to this channel, please subscribe. Please hit that red color subscribe button so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative and interesting videos for you. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, here basically first of all you just need to go to Instagram, and then let me just go to exciting account here. So if I go and click my old ID here, let me just show you for the demo. Okay, if I have forgotten the email, username, let me just enter my username. Okay, this was my username, and if I forgot the password, then what you can do here is that just click on forgotten password, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So guys, here what you need to do here, if you forgot your username, like your password and phone number or email address, then what you need to do here, you have to so here you have to click on need more help, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here, you can see on the bottom you will find one option, disabled account. Simply tap on this. What can I do if my Instagram account has been disabled? So you have to click here. Okay, after clicking here, you just need to swipe down, and then here you can see there will be an option, was this helpful? You have to simply tap on no, and then here you can see the information is confusing, the solution doesn't work, I don't like the product or policy. And the next is others. You can see order, simply tap on order, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here you have to write exactly what I'm writing right now. Here you can see just you need to change your username and your email. Okay, so if you forgot your email and password, and here we go. Hi Instagram team, you have to write my account has been disabled for so long, kindly look into this matter, I want my account back. Okay, so now here you have to write for contact, for for when TSCT for contacts, you have to write your, for contact me, like just write like this. You can give your email ID, whatever email ID you have. Okay, you just give your email ID, and then after this you can just give your username here for a referral. Okay, so you can just give your username, click on submit option, and here you can see thanks, your feedback helps improve the answer to everyone. So here you have to wait for at least 24 hours. You'll get a reply from Instagram, and then in this way you can you can fix this issue. So I hope this video will help your disabled Instagram account to be recovered, but I'm not gonna tell you 100% sure, but it helped me, and I have an experience through it. So thanks for watching guys, see you soon in the next video.